In this program, you're part of a global online learning community. So the information is through the internet, where you read and you watch videos. We have webinars, which you take part in and you learn from. There are activities for you to undertake. And then there are also a lot of policy interviews, often with the Bank of England, to bring the whole thing to life.
So my.wbs is a great platform. I've never seen anything like it. You can log in from wherever you are, so sometimes I might be logged in on my laptop, sometimes on my mobile. So you can access the content, say you're on a train journey, you can just have a quick look through. You can download certain things, so if there's a video to watch, you can download a transcript, which is then really easy to just look at.
The platform is really user-friendly. I can use it very easily, I can upload my files, I can contact my tutors, I can engage with my content, and I can re-watch my lectures. So the whole platform was designed for the ease of use in my time and at my leisure.
There's access to eBooks, and you can download those on your phone or an iPad or on your laptop or whatever, so they're always available. And then the learning platform has PDFs of the lesson slides, you have videos which are posted by the lecturers, and then there is a live session as well, which you can either join live and interact and ask questions, or you can watch the recording if it's at a time which isn't convenient to you. So there's multiple different ways in which you can access the information.
So the fact that it's 100% online, it's amazing for me. It doesn't matter if I'm at home or in London or in a different country. I can do it exactly the same way at the time that I think that's convenient.
I was very worried about not actually meeting a lot of people, but that hasn't been the case. And it's been great. It's been very interactive and overall very positive experience.